how to record MIDI and audio at the same time in Logic Pro X. It's actually not that hard. We just want to select a MIDI layer first and then an audio layer while holding down Shift. So what I'm going to do here is just duplicate my piano, get my audio layer down here below it, and I'm going to select the piano first, hold down Shift, and select my audio layer. Now, once those two are highlighted, I'm going to press the record standby button, and now I should be able to record both at the same time. Let's go.
Baby, why you got me going so crazy? What haven't I done for you lately? Give me yes or no or a maybe. Can we take a ride in your Mercedes? Acting so damn shady. Can you please act like my lady? Why your eyes always looking so hazy? Back to my sound.
Okay. And if you had more audio inputs, you would hold down Shift, select those as well, and record standby on those as well. If you have like multiple audio inputs, multiple MIDI channels, you can record more than one MIDI channel this way as well. Very good, quick method of doing more than one thing at a time. If you're good at it and you want to play guitar on one layer and sing on another layer and MIDI somebody else in a band setting, let's say, great way to combine multiple different layer types into one recording. And that is how you record audio and MIDI multiple layer types at the same time in Logic Pro X. Next lesson.